Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We've all been going through a rough time, right? Girl, I've been living my best life. I don't know what you're talking about. Well, if you haven't been, that's awesome. But for many of us, 2020 was a rough year. And one thing that has brought me a lot of clarity and helped me grow has been to journal. And in today's video, I want to show you guys and tell you guys how journaling has helped me and give you guys a couple journal prompts to start if you guys haven't already journaled. And if you guys do, these are some prompts that would be awesome to do. So yeah, I feel like life is just crazy, and a lot of times we don't take time for ourselves to, you know, reflect on what's been going on. I started journaling because last year I was going through a really rough time, and one of my friends recommended journaling after I meditate, because I've been like thinking about meditating for a while, and like I have meditated a couple times here and there, but I never thought about incorporating journaling and meditation. Basically, this has really helped me because I'm not the type of person that can tell just about anybody, like my deepest fears, my biggest regrets, and you know, a lot of things that have been going on in my life. So journaling has been the best thing that has happened to me, honestly, in growing and becoming a better person. Some tips I have for you guys to start journaling is to get a book. Just get a book that you can make your own. And I don't want you guys to get a book that you feel fits what someone else would like. Genuinely buy a book that you know you would love to always open up and look at and continue to write in. One that you connect with. Not even to be dramatic. Like if you go to the store and you see a book that you're like, whoa, I vibe with that book, get that book. That is the book for you. Make it your own. Customize it. It doesn't have to be aesthetic. If you don't even want to customize it and that's what makes you happy, go for it. Don't try to make it a certain way to fit a certain aesthetic, because that's not what's gonna help you. So that's the first tip I have, is to get a book, make it your own. And yeah, the next tip I have is to meditate after you journal. Doing so before is also good, but I personally meditate after or before I journal, because it helps me understand myself a lot more. Being able to center yourself and, you know, bringing yourself back, you know, I don't know if that makes sense, but like being able to just center yourself and bring yourself home and being able to hear your thoughts, because a lot of the times, like, we have a bunch of things going on that, and like we don't really even know what to write about because there's so many things to write about, you know. But like whenever I'm able to just close my eyes, sit or lay down, play some frequencies, turn on my diffuser with my favorite essential oils or an incense, being able to just breathe that in and listen to the sounds around me. I have my crystals, just being able to hear what I have to say. And also, like, sometimes before I meditate, well, every time I meditate, I always pray to God before. I try to read my Bible before if I can. If not, I'll just hop right into meditation, but I'll pray beforehand. And just being able to center myself and remembering my core values and what I believe in most, and then thinking about what I've gone through, you know. I feel like sometimes meditation can be hard. I can make a separate video on meditating. But you know, sometimes it can be hard for people, but I just feel like being able to breathe and understand what is going on within you can help with your journaling. So that's what I personally do, and I feel like that'd be a great tip for you guys. You can also do it after, because after you write down stuff, being able to reread it and meditate on that is also really helpful as well. Okay, so the next tip I have is to read back on it and reflect. Oftentimes we write things down, but we never read it back. It's kind of like studying. Whenever you write what's been going on in your life or how you're feeling, it's good to read back and reflect on it, because I feel like oftentimes we just write it down and we just get rid of it. But like, how is the growth process supposed to happen if you don't even know what just happened? You feel me? Like, because a lot of times I'll meditate, or before I even started journaling, I would just meditate and then that would be it. But it's like, I don't even remember what I meditated on or why I even meditated. So it's really good to reflect, even just in that moment. You know what I mean? You don't gotta like 10 years down the line, like not even that, like even like a week down the line. Like, you don't gotta do all that. Like, even just right after you wrote it, just read it back to yourself and analyze it and just reflect on it. That's what helps you grow. You won't be able to grow if you don't know yourself, and this is a great way to get to know yourself, is by just writing down your thoughts. So that has really helped me whenever I journal. And then the last tip I have is to honor it. Even if you wrote down something that's crazy and you were really mad, angry, or you're really sad, or really happy, like, I feel like a lot of times we always try to just not feel our feelings, and we always want another emotion. Like, even people that are extremely happy, like, sometimes I'll hear them say like, this isn't gonna last long. But it's like, why won't it last long? You know what I mean? Just honor how you're feeling right now. It doesn't matter what's gonna happen in a week. Don't think about what's gonna happen in a week. Think about what's gonna happen now. Like, what's happening now, you know? If you're feeling good, if you're feeling happy, if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling upset, angry, whatever, just read that and honor how you're feeling, and then you can move forward. Because if you don't honor and respect how you're feeling in that moment, how do you expect to move forward? All you're doing is suppressing your feelings if you can't, you know, honor it. I feel like that's what's really helped me reflect and be able to grow while journaling. So yeah, those are all the tips I have for you guys. I have some journal prompts, some easy journal prompts. Right now I've been doing a lot of shadow work and working on myself and stuff. So I can also do a video on that, like really deep journaling, you know. But these are just some journal prompts for beginners. Even if you've been journaling, these are some good journal prompts as well. Alright guys, so I have some journal prompts for you, so I'm just gonna read those off. List 3 things you are grateful for today. Write about your dreams. Write down something you are going to do for someone/yourself today. Listen to the sounds around you and describe them. Describe a moment in life you'll never forget. Talk about your feelings on love, life, your fears, nature, happiness. Write out a forgiveness note, one thing you'd want to be forgiven for. Write about your core values. Describe yourself. And write down a bucket list. So those are the journal prompts I have for you guys. I hope you guys like those and decide to use one of those. I'll definitely be making more videos on journaling and how it's helped me, and just some more journaling tips or whatever. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Make sure you hit that like button if you like the video. Make sure you comment. Just tell me what you guys think, and tell me other videos you guys would want to see. Make sure you subscribe. I think I already said that. I don't remember. Hit that bell, post notification bell, so that you won't miss out on any more of my videos. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.